Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. In today's fast-changing market, woodworking success no longer depends only on how well you craft, but on how well you understand demand. Contemporary buyers are not just looking for beautiful wooden items. They are searching for pieces that fit modern lifestyles, limited spaces, digital habits, and evolving tastes. This is where opportunity lives. When craftsmanship meets market awareness, wood projects stop being experiments and start becoming reliable income streams. In this narration, we explore contemporary wooden craft projects that have strong, proven market demand. These are projects that sell consistently because they solve real problems, enhance everyday living, and align with modern design preferences. If you've ever wondered which wood crafts are truly worth your time, energy, and materials, this video will help you focus your skills where income potential is highest. Contemporary wooden crafts succeed when they balance three things: function, simplicity, and emotional appeal. Modern buyers appreciate clean lines, neutral finishes, and thoughtful design more than heavy ornamentation. This shift has created enormous opportunity for craftsmen who understand restraint and purpose. One of the strongest market-driven categories today is compact wooden furniture designed for apartments and urban living. Small desks, narrow consoles, slim bookshelves, and foldable furniture pieces are in constant demand. As living spaces shrink, the value of efficient furniture grows. A desk that fits into a corner, a console that doubles as storage, or a bench that serves multiple functions instantly becomes desirable. These projects allow craftsmen to charge premium prices because they solve space challenges. Wall-mounted wooden solutions are another category dominating contemporary demand. Floating shelves, wall desks, fold-down tables, and modular wall storage systems appeal to minimalists and remote workers alike. These projects require precision and strong mounting design, but they offer excellent profit margins due to their perceived sophistication. Customers often prefer handcrafted wall solutions over mass-produced options because they feel tailored and intentional. Wooden home office accessories have surged in demand as remote work becomes permanent. Laptop stands, monitor risers, cable organizers, desk trays, and pen holders made from wood combine professionalism with warmth. Offices no longer need to feel cold and industrial. Wood softens the workspace and adds personality. These small projects are especially powerful because they are easy to batch produce and ship, making them ideal for online sales. In contemporary interiors, lighting remains one of the most profitable woodcraft categories. Wooden pendant lights, desk lamps, floor lamps, and wall sconces create atmosphere and identity in a space. Unlike furniture, lighting is often viewed as an artistic choice rather than a necessity, allowing for higher markups. When craftsmanship meets safe electrical design, wooden lighting becomes a repeat buyer product. Kitchen-focused wooden crafts also maintain strong market demand. Items such as cutting boards, serving boards, bread boxes, spice racks, and countertop organizers are used daily, which increases customer appreciation for quality. Contemporary buyers prefer minimalist designs with smooth finishes and natural tones. A well-designed kitchen accessory becomes both functional and decorative, which strengthens its perceived value. Bathroom wooden accessories are another growing niche. Wooden bath trays, soap holders, toothbrush organizers, and storage stools are popular among buyers seeking spa-like home environments. These items require moisture-resistant finishes and thoughtful construction, but they sell well because they transform ordinary routines into experiences. Customers are willing to pay more for products that enhance comfort and relaxation. Children's wooden furniture and learning tools continue to hold steady demand. Parents increasingly seek natural, durable alternatives to plastic. Contemporary designs favor neutral colors. Rounded edges, and modular growth-friendly furniture. Simple wooden stools, activity tables, book racks, and Montessori-inspired toys attract long-term buyers who value safety and sustainability. Custom wooden decor pieces are also thriving in today's market. Minimalist wall art, wooden clocks, geometric sculptures, and layered panels fit modern interiors perfectly. These pieces allow craftsmen to experiment creatively while maintaining strong income potential. Buyers view these items as statements rather than utilities, which elevates pricing flexibility. Outdoor contemporary wooden crafts also show strong demand. Balcony furniture, planters, privacy screens, and compact garden storage solutions appeal to urban homeowners. Clean designs with durable finishes sell especially well. Outdoor products often use larger quantities of material, which naturally raises price points and revenue per project. Another fast-growing area is personalized wooden products. Name signs, engraved trays, custom shelves, and branded pieces attract customers looking for meaningful gifts or unique branding. Personalization shifts the focus from material cost to emotional value. A simple product becomes premium when it feels exclusive. Contemporary buyers also favor modular wooden systems. Stackable storage, expandable shelving, and configurable furniture encourage repeat purchases. Instead of selling one item once, craftsmen create ecosystems of products that grow with the customer. This approach stabilizes income and builds long-term relationships. Sustainability-focused wood crafts are also gaining traction. Reclaimed wood projects, responsibly sourced materials, and low-waste designs resonate with environmentally conscious buyers. These projects allow craftsmen to differentiate their brand while maintaining strong market appeal. Ultimately, high market demand follows clarity. Craftsmen who understand who they are building for make better decisions about design, pricing, and production. Contemporary success does not require complexity, it requires relevance. When your projects fit seamlessly into modern life, they sell naturally. The market always rewards those who listen closely. Contemporary wooden craft projects succeed not because they chase trends, but because they respond to how people live, work, and relax today. When your craftsmanship aligns with real demand, your skills stop competing for attention and start attracting opportunity. Every project you choose is a business decision as much as a creative one. By focusing on high-demand contemporary designs, you turn your workshop into a source of stability, growth, and long-term income. The more intentional your designs become, the more predictable your results will be. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.